Hey, man, here we go. Back at it again, y'all. What y'all doing? Everybody working? It's Saturday here. Everybody probably at home, sitting on the couch. I'm here trying to make a little money. All right, we got a gas golf cart here. The customer said that it doesn't run. So the first thing I'm going to do is always put your voltmeter on volts, V with a straight line. You see it? Huh? All right. Put it on volts. First thing you do is check your battery. Right now we have 12.67. But what we're going to do, always check it under a load. So we're going to hit the gas, and it ran. Did it run when you got here?
No.
All right, now we got to get it to quit running again. Let me see something. I'm gonna say probably lean towards starter brushes or solenoid, but we gotta get it to quit running again. So just keep hitting the gas a couple times, just to gauge the solenoid and see if the clutch spins over. It just did it. All right, here we go. It quit running. I got the gas down. Put the chair there, Travis. All right, I got the gas down. We're gonna leave the main, the solenoid's clicking, so I'm gonna leave the black lead on the main negative. And we got, let's see here. Start again. Right, there we go. All right, black lead on the main negative. We got 1 volt, 2 volts. Man. Look at this, Travis. Look what's wrong with it. There you go, man. That's the problem right there. Just something, let me get a pair of pliers. Something that simple. The customer must put a battery in, because the battery looks new, and didn't tighten it up all the way. This is why sometimes, man, if you don't know what you're doing, you go to YouTube and watch the golf cart whisperer. All right, we'll get it going for you. So what I'm gonna do is tighten this. They got a little wing nut on here. And actually it's tight. The wing nut's tight. So I'm gonna take the wing nut off and look at it. And actually they got something wrong here anyway. If you look at this battery post, they got the main ground on the top of the light wire. You always put this down because this is your main connection. So always put this down near the battery. And if you look at it, you see that there? If you look at the battery stud in this one, the threads don't go all the way down. So therefore, when you put that on and you tighten it up, you run out of threads. So let me get a nut in the washer. And what I'm gonna do now is y'all tell me how much y'all think I should, in the comments below, tell me how much y'all think I should charge for this right here. We had to go pick it up, right? Mm-hmm. We had to go pick it up, and we had to fix it. And the same thing on the positive post here. It looks like they got their wires backwards too. So what we're going to do is take this off and put the positive lead, the main battery wire, toward the post itself, because you want that to get the best connection. I ain't getting too nuts. But what I'm gonna do, man, I'm gonna switch it up what I just did. I think it looks better the other way. So what I'm gonna do is take this off and put this on the bottom. That way it looks more professional. That's a big old nut there. So I'm gonna have to go back with a wing nut here. That's a 3/8 nut here. And just a 1/2 inch. So I'm gonna go back over here and put the washer on the bottom so it looks like it belongs like that instead of looks rigged up. That way, man, the customer gets it back. Looks more professional. They won't know that we put a washer on it to space it out. Nah, I was just joking. I'm gonna tell them anyway. Let me get a wrench. Jack, what chance of that nut being loose? You know what's bad about it? It was tight, really. Let me know how much we should charge it, man. I'll make a deal. Anybody gets to hit the price on their head, I'll give you something. I'll send you something via YouTube. All right, but you got to guess. All right, man. Let's see what it does just like that. Let's see. Now, what I'm gonna do while it's in here, she just put a battery in it. And I don't know why. It could be because the battery was just old and dead. But I'm gonna check the charging system while it's in here. So let's see what we got. 12 volts. Yep. All right, we're gonna hit the gas. When you hit the gas, you're gonna see a draw. You're gonna see voltage drop. And then while it's running, you'll see voltage come up about 14, 14.5, somewhere in there. Change the battery because the battery was bad. It's charging. But all right, man, I'll post some more, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Later.